Welcome to the Palm Beach County Water Utilities Department How-To Series. In this video, we'll share some tips to keep your E-Backflow account up to date. Visit us at pbcwater.com. Click on I Want To and select Learn About Backflow Prevention from the menu. Once logged in to your E-Backflow user account, you can do the following. To verify or update information associated with your license, click the buttons at the top of the E-Backflow screen. The Plumbing Contractor Maintenance button allows you to modify the contact information for the license. The Backflow Tester Maintenance button allows you to update the certificates for the testers on the account. At the end of each session, be sure to click Log Off, located at the top right of the screen. And if you have questions about your account, you can contact the Cross Connection Control Coordinator for assistance.